Let's get started with StockSync. Currently, the Shopify store is empty. It does not have any product. We are going to add new products into the Shopify store using the import function by StockSync. In this case, we are going to use upload file as the feed type. And the CSV is the file format. Specify the column separator used. Enable if the first row is the header. This is the example CSV file that we are going to import. As you can see, it contains many fields that need to be included. Now, let's go back to StockSync. Click on the Next button to proceed to field mapping. You can use the guided field mapping to make it easier by uploading your sample CSV file. Start by matching the product identifier with the fields in your sample file. For this example, we will try to match all the fields that were in the sample CSV file. For the quantity field, we added extra settings, which is the quantity rules. For example, any products that have a quantity of less than 4 will show as 0. You can add multiple quantity rule. Click the Next button to proceed to the advanced page. You have the option of not tracking the inventory or Shopify track the product's inventory. Click the Done button to finish setting up. And there it is, the import feed that was set up earlier. Now you import your CSV file by uploading it. The feed file that was uploaded has been queued in the system. And now the feed file has started processing. The import was a success and there are total 3 products imported. Let's check the Shopify store to see any changes. The products that were imported using the CSV file is in the store. Everything is matched properly, even the number of inventory to the respective variant size. The inventory of size L is 0 because of the quantity rule that we applied earlier. Since the quantity is 3 which is less than 3. Even the vendors have matched accordingly. Now, let's try to update the Shopify store using StockSync. For the update, we will be using a different sample CSV file. As you can see, the quantity is totally different than the previous sample CSV file. This is the update feed. The configuration will be the same as the previous import feed. Since we are using the same feed type and file format, click the Next button to proceed. For this update process, we are only updating the quantity of the products in the store. You can choose whether to add or deduct or only deduct. If you choose neither means you overriding the existing store's quantity. We are going to add the quantity rule as before. We are also wanted to match the vendor field of the products. Click the Next button to proceed. For the update feed, you have the vendor filter that you can choose to include or exclude. For this example, we are going to exclude the SHA vendor which is the shirt product. As you can see, there are many more advanced settings that you change for the feed file. You can choose reset all variant quantity to 0 if unmatched with feed file SKU and so on. Click the Done button to return to the dashboard. And your new update feed is ready. Let's upload our file. The update is completed and as you can see total updated is 7. The count is based on the variant. Let's check out the Shopify store. You can see that the quantity has increased compared to the previous one. The quantity for size S and M has increased, while L still showing 0 because of the quantity rule. You can notice that the shirt quantity stays the same even after update. This is because the vendor SHA has been excluded from updating. Same goes for the shoes, all the quantity has been updated according to the new CSV file. That is all for this tutorial. Thank you.